today we're gonna play another episode of Puzzlerama Medium something. Again, I think. No, how can I? How? How? What the? Boom! Yeah, that. Yeah, that's true. Read that. Peace begins with a smile. Maybe. Maybe. Just maybe. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. No. Okay. What happened? I just burped. I think I wasn't supposed to tell you though. Yeah, if I can do that, if I'm gonna do that, then I'll do this so I can do that and do it again. Do you know that I'm smarter? Except for a lot of people. Because I have nothing. I have life though. I have my mom, I have my mom, I have my brothers, I have my dad, I have everybody's who is important. And I have a life. Yeah, I have a life. How can I how? How? How do you Oh. Why? That was okay, fine, I'll do it myself. How can I get rid of that thing? Like that. Then what? So I can't do this level, but I don't have hints, so I have to skip that and I'll come back for it later. And I just screwed up. I have to do that, so we have to go to 22. I don't know how to do it, but I'll do it. What? Wait, how many blocks is this? So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means on the other side you can you have to move. Why is it so hard? Yeah. If you can help me, just go into the comments. Why? Why? I can't. Really? That was all? That. Oh. What the heck? Why? Why? Oh man, I'll be back in the mine and I can get rid of this. Can't get. Oh, baby, good night. The creeper sun is still the top again. 'Cause baby, tonight I lose. Yeah, that's gonna be a short video, I think. Oh my gosh, what happened to that guy? Yeah, okay, let's get back on. How do I? How? Can you help me, guys, on the stage 20? I really don't know. Don't call me a noob because I am not a noob. Because look at that, I know now. But you still have to help me on stage 20. Yeah. Let me think this. No. I didn't know how to do that. So the answer is I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, see now. Now I know. See? Now I know. You can see me. Wait. How about I turn on face cam? Okay. Hey. Hey guys. I did it. I used the face cam. Wait, no. I know you're not that stupid, guys. I know that. No. I know that I have to do that. So that's one of the disadvantages of having a face cam. But the advantage is they can see your face. That's all. So it's gonna be really embarrassing because I have to look at the camera and the game if I want to. So that's gonna be a problem. Don't you think? Eh, yeah. I'm not recording this on a phone. I'm recording this on a Pixie tablet and then I get it right. Frick. I got this. Now I have. That's so. That's so hard. So I need to. I thought that was it, but it wasn't. Now you can see my face, and I'm disappointed because that's all I have to do. And that was so hard. And I'm gonna end this video with the Goodbye, and make sure to subscribe to me, turn on notifications, like the video, comment. Okay, fine, bye, 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 bye.